Go to the plant's backyard, and I want you to click on your sticker book, go to sunflower, and find the alien flower, and read the description with me. The ZIA maintains that there is no conclusive proof of alien plant life. They claim alien flower is just a hoax or an urban legend. They want you to believe that her interstellar spacecraft is just a weather balloon, or maybe swamp gas. The ZIA asks that you please move along and forget this conversation ever happened. So they are basically claiming that alien flower is just fake. It's a hoax. There's no extraterrestrial force. It's a lie. But obviously we know this is false. First of all, the name of the flower is alien flower, meaning she's from a different planet, maybe a different galaxy. And if you go back to Golfa 1, you have 3 weapon upgrades. One of them is called Xeno Pedals, and the description of this says, unearthly pedals assist in speeding up reload times. Mind you, unearthly, meaning not from Earth, a different planet. Then the other upgrade is Xenoplasts. Xenoplasts generate an abundance of energy, resulting in increased ammo capacity, meaning that the alien flower is special in terms of energy. Her energy allows her to be like extraterrestrial, like different. And then the final upgrade in Golfa 1 for alien flower is Xenospores, and the description says, alien spores cause massive damage to terrestrial zombies. Mind you, alien spores, and we always call it spore mist, but it is an alien spore. That's not the only proof of life on the moon, or like from a different planet, because look, here we have just the moon, we have moon rocks, but when we go to the other side, we actually see grass, life force, meaning that it's very, very possible that there are alien plants that grew on this planet, on the moon. Interestingly enough, there is a character in the franchise that knows about these alien plants. It's in the description of a certain character. Look and see. If you go to the zombie backyard, and then you go to the sticker book, I want you to go to scientist, and then read the description from astronaut. The astronaut zombie claims that there is a secret lunar suburbia on the dark side of the moon, a so-called place perfect for zombie plundering, but none of the other zombies believed him. So the astronaut saw something on the dark side of the moon, which he said was a great opportunity for plundering, but nobody believed him. Could it be that he saw the alien plants that grew on the moon? But why would no one believe him? Could it be that someone's trying to cover it up? Well, funny enough, we already talked about this. We don't really know what the ZIA is, but we are assuming it's a CIA for the zombies. And if that's the case, the zombies, meaning Dr. Zombas, is trying to cover up that there are alien plants on the same moon when there are zombies. Here they clearly say the ZIA asks that you please move along and forget this conversation ever happened. But then the question is, why would he cover that up? My first theory is that the reason Dr. Zombas is hiding these alien plants is because he's doing experiments on them. What if Dr. Zombas said the astronaut guy, who nobody believes, actually told the truth? What do you think will happen? Well, all the zombies will go to that place, and like the astronaut said, a great plundering opportunity. All these zombies will kill all the alien plants, and therefore the research doesn't work anymore because everyone's dead. And what if one of his experiments actually succeeded? Well, I think it's Cosmic Brains. If you look at the description from Cosmic Brains, it says, more than just a strange zombie in the spandex bodysuit. With the help of his, note, galactic bracelets, Cosmic Brains wields powers, note, unknown. So, assuming that the experiment worked, in this case we would argue that a plant alien had bracelets, and Dr. Zombas did these experiments, and he gave the bracelets to the Cosmic Brains because Clearly the description says his powers are unknown and powerful because of the bracelets. Does that mean a plant that we have never seen before, an alien plant, has bracelets that grants him the power to send people to different galaxies of a black hole? Can you imagine all the other alien plants that we have not seen yet? We have seen alien flowers so far, but what if I told you there might be another plant in the game that has galactic powers? I didn't expect this one either, but if you go to the plant backyard, go to the sticker book and click pea shooter, you go to plasma, read this. The plasma pea shooter shoots peas that are, mind you, entire universes onto themselves. Peas of swirling galaxies, home to millions of stars. Peas with enormous nebulae that dwarf you and me. Peas soon of the very fabric of space-time from which the infinite possibilities of the cosmos are born. Okay, whoa. So, basically, this is what, so okay, look, I shot 1, I shot 2, and I shot 3 bullets. Does that mean I just created 3 galaxies? According to the description, that is the case. Every time the plasma pea shoots, he just creates stars and galaxies with a life. Okay. So this definitely proves that there are extraterrestrial plants right now in the verse, and they are trying to cover it up. After reading the description from Plasma P, why in the world would Dr. Zambas not cover it up? I mean, if he were to make it public that there are alien plants on the moon at the same location where all the zombies are, the zombies would just kill them all. And then there's a potential that he cannot harness certain powers because some plants will go extinct. So of course he would cover it up. Smart genius. For me, the biggest proof that Dr. Zalmas is doing experiments with these alien plants to harness their power and give the power to a zombie army is because Plasma Pea and Alien Flower, they don't have any equipment that are the reason for their power. They literally, their description just says they have the power and there's no reason for it. Although for Cosmic Brains, he has the bracelets and that's why he's powerful. So maybe there is a certain plant that has like this energy, and Dr. Sama somehow harnessed this energy and put it in a bracelet, and from there, Cosmic Brains has this galactic power. We do now know that the Plasma Pea and the Alien Flower went to Earth and joined the plants. But why would he join the plants? Well, to be fair, it's their own species. Why wouldn't they get away from a planet where they get experimented on? They of course want to join the plants to fight the zombies, so it all makes sense in the end.